You can make a lot of money trading this gold strategy. Now, I've been putting this signal trades for gold in my private group. So if you guys want to trade gold with me on your journey, go ahead and join the private group with the link below in the description. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it, because I'm telling you, I used to trade the Forex pairs, and now I only solely trade gold. And the reason why I like to trade gold is because gold is a fast volatile pair. However, if you use proper risk management on this particular instrument, you can make insane amounts of money. Okay, so for some of you who do not know, I trade supply and demand, right? I do wait for a break of structure to any particular high or low, and then I'll wait for a gap or a retest to be filled, and or you can call it liquidity grab if you're looking for any particular high or low for your take profit area. So let's go ahead and call this. I have called this in the group chat. Okay, so we do have an uptrend right now. Usually for some of you guys who do not know, on a 1 hour time frame, on a bigger time frame, I do look for a higher time frame for a trend. However, this is pretty obvious on the 5-minute time frame that the trend on gold is bullish. Right now, we do have a break of structure at this area right here. So originally my demand zone would have been right here, but because that gap did not get filled and it did not get retested, then simply I just waited for another zone to be clear. Now, of course, you can keep going with this. So if there is another demand being set up, but it does not tap into that zone, you can for sure, by your choice, look into this zone as well. So there was like another break of the high over here, and if you see the 200 EMA, make sure that you put the 200 EMA on if you choose to. The 200 EMA really helps me to know if the market is in a buy or sell. So if the market is actually above the 200 EMA, then it's buys. Okay, if the market is below the 200 EMA, it is sells. Now, of course, if it's just ranging in this area, then you do want to wait for the market to either break out to the low over here, or you want it to break out to the high as it originally did. Okay, now of course we have a break of structure, right? And so because of this gap that has already been retested and then it didn't fully retest this area, this is the most probable trade right here, because this bad boy was just retested after the break of the structure. Now, it ain't the best setup, it ain't the cleanest setup. However, it's still a setup. A setup is still a setup. And when there's a rejection taking place, this is golden. Okay, so this basically, you could say this gap has already been filled. Just remember, there's still opportunities when the market continues to edge higher and then creates another demand zone and continues to edge higher again, which we call higher highs and higher lows. Okay, which I will show you right here. Higher highs and higher lows being formed. Okay, so that's telling me that the market is edging higher. So we got the retest right there, and what we want after the retest, we want the market to push up a little bit. Either we can go ahead and enter on our demand zone aggressively, or we wait for a break of structure to the high of the previous candle. Okay, so we have a break of structure to the high of this previous candle. Right now, enter aggressively I did. Okay, and my stop loss was only 20 pips, guys. 20 pips. Okay, if you're using proper risk management, you guys know that gold can go anywhere from 50 to 100 pips a day. This is the reason why I love gold, because gold eats, gives you pips. You just got to use proper risk management. The reason why many traders are failing trading gold is because they're not using proper risk management. So with this trade, I ended up, believe taking like almost a 100 pip take profit. Boom. And this bad boy hit take profit instantly. Now, like I said, this was a simple trade. I called it out in the group. I texted my people. And to be honest, it's been a while. I think it's been a while since I lost on gold. Of course, everybody has a losing streak, but gold has been my most consistent pair. And I'm telling you, it's been making money. So let's go ahead and delete this. And I'm going to give you one more good example for those who actually are interested in trading gold and just want a simple strategy. Okay, like I said, when I call this out on the team, I make sure that whatever I am trading and I'm calling it out is going to be a quality setup. Okay, so today I did not trade, but I will show you another example. Right, we do see gold trending on the 5-minute time frame, and it is sitting on a 200, and it is edging higher. Okay, so you could have taken a trade right here, and I'll give it to you right here. It ain't the best of trades, but it's still, you know, played out. This is one of those trades where gold broke up to the high, then you see that rejection. Okay, and that rejection candle is still okay. It's just because you see a lot of rejection happening, it could turn bearish on you. Now, at the time, it was bullish, all right? So you could have took this particular buy, all right? So you see the rejection right there, boom. And then it edged higher, okay? So in this particular position, you could have entered right here. And then you put your take profit right there, and boom. Your take profit would have been hit. Now, again, this was a simple demand setup, break of structure to the high, fill in the gap, and then liquidity that this gap was to be filled as far as this wick fill was hit at take profit. Okay, so this was definitely a 40 pip stop. Now, of course, the market definitely ended up taking a dump downwards. Okay, now for some of you that do not know, anytime gold does this, this is also giving us another key opportunity to actually make money. So this is where you can put your supplies on right here. It broke the low, right? Let's go ahead and move the 200 EMA. It broke this low right here. Okay, and not only that, is giving us more bearish confirmation that I want to continue downwards. All right, so then we have a what? We have a retest right there. We see a perfect rejection at this area, and we can either enter aggressively right there, or we can just wait for it to break this candle, which it did. All right, so we would have entered right here where it broke that candle. You can put your stop loss where you desire, which would have been right here, 20 pip stop loss. And if you're looking for liquidity, it could be all the way down here, which is what? Guys, 100 pips. So this bad boy tanked to 100 pips. I did not trade this today. I don't trade Wednesdays. I trade Monday, Tuesday, Thursdays, and Fridays. If it wasn't for that, I would have for sure taken this exact same setup, and I probably would have taken that buy setup. So yeah, guys, like I said, I created a new private group. We have some people in there, and this gold trade is amazing. We love trading gold. Some people trade other players as well, but I'm telling you, gold is where it's at, guys. So if you really want to learn more from me, if you want to learn how to trade, if you want to learn how to profit, if you want to learn how to trade gold, if you want to learn how I review the markets, you want to learn how to trade supply and demand, and actually want to get your trading journey started, or you're in a position where you want to see the markets better and want to have a simple strategy, again, go in my description and click on the link and definitely join me there, because we do weekly webinars, we do trade setups. I set up these trade signals Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Fridays. And to be honest, guys, I teach people. Like, I actually train these people. If I have a setup that does look iffy, I'll send out a actual video on why I believe that trade setup played out the way it did, or it was just iffy the way it was. So we are really serious about this. But this gold strategy is so simple, and there's more I can show you. But I'm telling you, if you guys just keep it simple, use proper risk management, you will actually succeed in trading. Now, further ado, before I end this video, I would like for you to also turn your eyes to this product called Traders for Life. I have a actual Traders for Life hoodie that I am selling for the holiday season, along with sweatshirt. So if you guys are interested in getting that as well, there's the link below in the description as well. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season that is coming up, and I hope you guys are preparing for that, because Traders for Life, I'm telling you, we're trading, and we want to make sure that in this trading journey, we are wanting to be where we want to be to get our time freedom back. So I hope you like this video. So please like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.